You're using print statements in production. Here's exactly why that's a mistake. Python's logging module gives you 5 severity levels. Deboo boo 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 for detailed diagnostics, info for general events, warning for unexpected situations, error for serious problems, and critical for fatal failures. With print, every message looks identical. With logging, you know exactly how serious each message is. And you can filter by level. Show everything in development, only warnings and above in production. Print writes to standard output. That's it. The logging module supports handlers, pluggable output destinations. A single logger can write to the console, a log file, and a remote server at the same time. Adding a new destination never touches your application logic. This is where logging wins decisively. With print, you have 2 bad choices. Leave debug noise in production forever or delete the code and lose it. With logging, you just raise the log level. Your debug statements stay in the code, producing 0 output until you need them again. Every log record automatically carries metadata, a timestamp, the module name, log level, and source line number, with no extra code from you. When a production bug hits at 3 in the morning, that context can save hours of investigation. Use print for throwaway scripts. For anything production, reach for the logging module. You get severity levels, flexible destinations, runtime filtering, and free metadata. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.